I'm Greg, and today I'm going to be showing you a problem that may look pretty hard to solve, but it's actually pretty easy. So the problem is, what is the square root of 11,111,111 times 100,000,011? And all of that plus 4. So this is a math counts problem. And in Mathcounts, there's a rule that if they don't specify what they want your answer to be like a common fraction or a decimal, then it has to be an integer. So 0.11111111 is equal to 1/9 if you keep on repeating the 1 forever. And this looks very similar to this. So if you multiply this by 10 to the power of 8, you'll get 11,111,111.11111 and so on. So that might be a bit off, but it's very close. So we have 10 to the power of 8 times 1/9, and then times this, which looks very similar to 10 to the power of 8. And all that's plus 4. So this isn't exact, but 10 to the 8th times 1/9 is a bit smaller than this times 10 to the power of 8, but this is a bit bigger. So, it's a bit smaller. So, you add 4, and then you get that if you multiply, you get 10 to the 16th over 9 plus 4. And then the 4 doesn't really matter right now because it won't make very big of a difference when the numbers are so big. So, 1/9 is 1/3 squared, and 10 to the 16th is 10 to the 8th squared. So, get about 10 to the power of 8 over 3. Not exact, but about. And then 10 to the 8th over 3 is equal to about 33,333,333,333. And then this isn't exact, but it's the closest integer. But before saying that this is the answer, we can see that this number ends with a 1, and so does this, and 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So the root of this has to end with a 5. So instead of this 3, we put a 5. And this, on a math competition where you're timed and you don't have that much time, and if they don't specify what type of answer it has to be, and it has to be an integer, then this is gonna be the best option for you because it's pretty quick and it's probably gonna be right if that's the type of math competition it is. So your answer is 33,333,335. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.